What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you my first unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So this is my first time to get this one, and I'm gonna show you the unboxing of it. So what it's just a quick unboxing, so we will be checking what are inside this box for the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So this is sound by AKG. This is the latest earbuds from Samsung, like the second generation next to the Icon X. So as you can see, it is still sealed. And what we're gonna do now is we will do the unboxing. Okay. Here we go. Let's start. Ah, I'm so excited, guys. Like, I'm gonna check what's inside. So, oh, oh, okay. So there's another plastic tape below. So gonna rid of this, and here we go. This is the case for the Galaxy Buds. Ah, you can see the Samsung logo. And pop, 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 pop. Okay, here we go. So this is the light indicator, and these are the buds. This is for the right ear and the left ear. And whoa, Samsung, powered by AKG. Oh my god. Oh, see? So what else is in the box? We have this small box inside the box where you can find where you can find this little, I don't know what is it called. It's called, like, I don't know. And then you have the cable for charging. Here you go. And we will just put it back. So we only have these like two sets of ear, I don't know. And we're gonna put it back on the box, because we already know about it. And I'm not gonna able to try it because I'm using my phone right now. I cannot connect it, so that's just it. That's it. Samsung Galaxy Buds. So 6 hours of playtime, clear call quality, wireless charging. So this case is wireless. I can also use this charging together with my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Just put it on the back of the Galaxy S10 Plus and it will charge. And that's it. Here you go, guys. This is my new Galaxy Buds black version. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.